Hi there, students. Cahoots. It always appears, or almost always appears, in the phrase in cahoots with. This means acting together, working together with another person or other people for dishonest purposes or illegal purposes. So the banker and the accountant were in cahoots to embezzle money from the bank. Um, the government were in cahoots with the terrorist organization. They were working together, they were in league with each other. Yeah, they're conspiring together, they're plotting or scheming. Yeah, so maybe a pickpocket, somebody who steals your wallet, works in cahoots with somebody else who distracts you while they steal your wallet. Okay, to be in cahoots with. Um, okay, so it's almost exclusively in the phrase in cahoots with. There's also an unusual idiom, it doesn't really appear very much, to go cahoots with somebody, meaning to go into partnership with somebody to do something bad or illegal. Yeah. The barman was in cahoots with the gambler to get people's money. My brother was in cahoots with my father to play a horrible trick on me. Yeah, so in cahoots with, working together to do something slightly dishonest. The accountant was in cahoots with organized crime. Okay, so to be in cahoots with, working together to do something bad. Yeah, I particularly think of a couple of thieves, and one is there to distract you, and his partner, who he's in cahoots with, then does the stealing. Okay, so a partnership or in league with, in collusion with. He's in cahoots with the police. Yeah, the informant is in cahoots with the police. He's working together with them. Let's see. Collusion or collaboration to nefarious ends. Yeah, and almost exclusively in cahoots with. Um, the oil company is in cahoots with the government to get the license. Yeah, very often a politician is in cahoots with the landowner to give him planning permission to make the land much more valuable. Okay, so to be in cahoots, to be working together with, to conspire with. So, in cahoots, how formal is this? In cahoots with each other. I think I'm going to give this a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. Yeah. I get the feeling that this word cahoots is linked to the word cohort. Yeah, in the cohort of. But they say that it comes from French, from cahoot, which means a cabin, or hut, a hut, a cabin, caban, and hut. So a small little house in the middle of the countryside. So I guess if you're in cahoots with, you're both in the same little building, hidden away from everyone. Yeah, you're working together for nefarious ends or nefarious means. So yes, conspiracy theorists always are looking for different groups that pretend to be totally independent, but are in fact in cahoots with each other. the judge was in cahoots with the defendant and hence found him not guilty. Okay, so to be in cahoots with someone, to be working together with them to do something illegal or something improper. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. In cahoots with somebody.